Hi, I'm Bob with New Age Industrial. Today we're going to dig into a cold subject. We're going to talk about freezer carts, just what you wanted to hear. Now, our freezer carts, you can see the beautiful work they do with the aluminum. We're going to talk about how do we make this stuff. This is extruded aluminum. It's primary aluminum. You can see how the beautiful sheen on it, the quality workmanship, the welds, everything about it just is wonderful. We build stuff to make you happy and make it last. This is our D-tube we use on the side. You can see when we bend it, it gets extremely stronger. We use that all the way around the frame. This is a heavy-duty corner. When it makes that turn, it makes it stronger because it sucks this in on the bottom. It absorbs that and it makes a heavier-duty bend. But you've got this wonderful tube here that's a D that's almost indestructible. You're not going to be able to beat up this truck. The other thing now I'd like to talk to you about is how we make these. When we design a freezer cart truck, we always put a dimple here on the end. That helps keeping the freezer basket from vibrating and going off in case you're going down into your cooler or freezer. It doesn't look like much, but it's a real important aspect of the whole operation. If you look at the bottom, you're going to see rigid casters, plate casters that are rated at 250 pounds a wheel. And you're also going to see a swivel caster set, and that's rated at 250 pounds a wheel. They're all plate casters. We have the same wheels over here on the 9 high. So I just wanted to show you that. These carts are rated at 500-pound capacity, both of them, whether it's a 7, 8, or 9. We do make 4 different versions. So we do a 7 high, an 8 high, a 9 high, and a 12 high. The 12 is a double wide one where the baskets are sideways, so you could get 2 and 2 on each runner. But they nest on the base. If you have any questions, call us now or visit us on our website at newageindustrial.com. Thank you for your time.